Hey guys, in this video we are doing a fire alarm test in a school. That's not a person, so yeah, let's do the simplex. If I can leave what thank you. If I could. Oh man, guys, that's crazy. Let's reset. Okay. Only thing. Okay, so here. Now we always have to come down here to reset the system because it's full station. I mean, not pole station. There is more pole stations around here somewhere. It's over here. Same thing. I played this game once off camera. Is that a pole station? No, it's not. Ugh, I hate these wheel locks. I hate those wheel locks. They're not my type of fire alarms. I think they're garbage for me. I'm sure some people are like, it's not garbage, it's nice. But when the strobe goes off, yeah, no. Alright, let's see here. I don't see any more pole stations around. There might be. Let me check around, and then I might go out right. Okay. Oh, here's one. Here's the one. Is a stroke going off? Okay. Sure. I wish we could talk into the thing. Let's see here. We can't do a drill. I think we can, but I'm not. Okay. I'm gonna pull this pole station one again. Let's go down here and see this. See, when the strobe goes off, it does that. I don't like that at all. Let's just silence it. I do have another. I don't know if that goes off on the silence it. It's surprising nobody's online right now and getting on and messing up this video. I'm not on a private server. So I'm not on like a private server, I think. I don't know. Oh, there. Excuse me. What's over here? Is there a fire alarm over here? I'm just wondering. No, there's just a light outside. Oh, there is, I think. Whoa. Slow door. Ew, look at that. So there is a fire alarm. Here's the pole station. Oh, nah, I don't. Where's the thing? Okay. It's just like doing like a really small thing. What the heck? EDA. Nice. It's just doing that like little thing. Hey guys, let's go back to school. I don't even know the fire alarm's going off over there. Oh. Yeah, so somebody could just be pulling the fire alarm over there and it's like, what is that? I don't know, I think a kid pulled the fire alarm. Like, nope. The kid next door did. Eh. Let's just go over here. I really don't care because I'm just going this way. Okay, nice desk. Trophy. Okay. What's in here? Nothing. Just a random soccer ball. Bravo. Okay. That's a weird sound. What the heck is going... Oh, okay. Never mind. Pass on that. There's barely pole stations around here. I only found like 3. If you're wondering what my character looks like, it looks like this. With a chill face on. So with a yeah. But here's a pole station. If I even go back, let's see what's going on here. Okay, so to here. This is a simplex. Don't know what that is, but needs to probably stay away. She's got. Alright, let's just pull the fire alarm out. There we go. Okay, 1. Yeah, I think I did more than that. They go in sync because they're like not. Yeah. Alright, guys. Let's just reset the system and pretty much I think we're done right here, guys. I wish I can do it, but it's a stupid thing. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. Alright, guys. See you in the next video. Oh, excuse me. Hope you like this video. Peace. Thanks for watching.